Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Friday market webcast. Okay, so we have been kind of chopping range bound here in and around 3,000 for going on 3 sessions. We've now been above the daily mid-band for 4 sessions, most of 5 sessions. 1, 2, 3, you got 5 closes above and you're working on a 6th. So the advantage in the long term is certainly to the bulls. If the bears are going to gain an advantage, look, you better reject something up here. Start breaking some prior day lows. Start breaking some weekly lows. Here's Monday. And get back below a line that matters and stay there. It's pretty simple. I mean, there's people out there calling for, it's an exhaustion. You're going to get a reversal day. You're going to get this, that, the other thing. Okay, great. I'm ready when you are. Price is going to dictate that. And until then, you continue to do what's working. And that's a lot of these little slow bleed moves to the upside. Although I got to tell you, I've probably been short more in the last 24 hours. The room's been short more in the last 24 hours than it's been long. And we did more handle short yesterday than we did long. We had a short from the rounding that was actually pretty nice. It's been kind of a whatever week. You had Tuesday, and the rest of the week it's just kind of been, nothing special. Hourly chart, you can see the compression, some expansion, but still just kind of fading back into this range. So we've been bouncing around. Here's Monday. No interest in trading below the weekly pivot. You can see it down there, 29.48. You see it rise up here to the pre-FOMC price, and we've just been grinding. Just been grinding for, basically for 3 days. So we'll see if that wants to change today. I would be interested to see. Right now we're trading right around 95, 96, 96.75. We opened in about 23 minutes, about 20 minutes. Volume weighted average price is 96. You've got daily pivot 97 and change. You've got the hourly mid-band 96.5. You've got the daily pivot 98.75. And just that whole area from, call it 96 to 98 is going to have to make a decision about what it wants to be. And even if it does make a decision that it wants to be higher, you still have to deal with anything with a 3 on it, which the bulls have not reacted well to all week long. As far as downside is concerned, you can trade below the hourly mid-band all you want, but every time they do, they bounce it. They just bounce it off 95.25. So the edges are going to have to make some decisions about what it wants to be. All right, everybody have a fantastic day. We'll have some more stuff out on social. Trade them well. Have a good weekend. I'll talk to you Monday. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.